ISA President Keith Wellington is urging persons involved in sports to be more proactive about their health and not become reactive when health issues arise. Denise Walters reports.
Keith Wellington, president of the Intersecondary Schools Sports Association, ISA, warns sports personnel to prioritize health.
I think that many of us involved in sports don't realize the significance of ensuring that the health and well-being of those involved are prioritized. For us as principals, we have a very significant group of young people who are involved. Jamaicans generally don't take health as seriously as they should. It's more reactive than proactive.
Wellington says it's important to get tested and do physical activities.
At ISA, we have tried our best to say to our schools that the kids who are involved in these activities, we should ensure that testing is done before we get them involved. We are fortunate as Jamaicans that generally we have a relatively healthy environment in terms of physical abilities and the ability to perform on the field. So we don't have as many unfortunate incidents as we may have had it not been for the fact that we are usually from birth involved in physical activities.
He was speaking at the recent handing over of 25 ECG and cardiovascular examinations to the Referees Association of Kingston and St. Andrew from the Rotary Club of Kingston East and Port Royal in collaboration with the Heart Institute of the Caribbean. The Rotary Club said after hearing of the passing of referee Wilva Glenn Lamy on TVJ Sports, it was agreed they'd do the donation as they had a credit note on hand for the 25 following their annual health and wellness fair at Vauxhall High School, where some schoolboys were tested a little over 2 months ago.
It has been a passion of mine long before becoming president, and once I became president, I along with my club, decided that we must push forward to see if we could get some of our schoolboy footballers ECGs. It really was an oversight originally not to have considered our referees. We hope that we are able to make an impact.
This initiative is incredibly meaningful to us, especially since, as you both said, Mr. William Lamy passed while officiating a match. And it's a reminder that health and safety needs to be at the forefront of everything that we do.
Now, despite not getting the initial target of 100 boys, the club was able to provide 75 Manning Club players, 22 from Vauxhall, 30 from St. Catherine High, and 18 from Camperdown with free ECGs and cardiovascular examinations in a move to have student athletes more aware of their health conditions. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.